Rachel, take the tower down. Can you take it down? Yay, 1 block. What about these? What about these, Rachel? Can you get those down too? Nope, you're happy with your 1 block, huh? Okay, let's put one of these on top of it. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, now should we see how your brother takes blocks off? Dean. Look at the blocks. Oh! No block left standing. Let's try again. 1, 2. Nothing left. What do you think about that? You're so patient, calm, step by step. Dean, you just want it all down. Nothing can stay. That's my babies. Say hi, Grandma. Dean, hey. Say hi, Grandpa.